DJ flaming up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiana, and I'm here to do a full day wash day with some Camille rules. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so today I did mention doing a whole wash and go process with some Camille Rose products. I haven't featured Camille Rose on my channel, but I really do love them. So let's just start off what I'm going to use. I used to have their ginger shampoo, but I don't anymore. I used it all up. But I did receive their cleansing milk. And Target was having a $5 sale, so basically a lot of their hair products were $5. So I did pick this up. This is more of like a cold wash. I'm going to use that. I did pre-wash my hair with another shampoo because I just came out of a protective style, so really needed my hair cleansed. But I'm going to use this to see about like how it feels, everyone get some moisture for this little co-wash. I do have another co-wash from Camille Rose that I did pay also $5, but I'm not going to use that one. I use it like in a different video. But I'm really intrigued by using their cleansing milk. Now I'm not new to Camille Rose deep conditioners whatsoever. I used to have their algae renewal one, but I do have their protein treatment. It's the Nagai Tsubaki Strengthen and Restore Protein Treatment. And I received this for Black Friday and haven't used it. I love their Around the Way, their Berry Nectar one. I think I did do a review about that, but I love that cholesterol deep conditioner so much. So now I have the protein one, so I'm going to use that one. Hopefully I love it. And then I'm going to follow up with the Curl Love Milk, which can be a leave-in and a styler. I'm going to use it as a leave-in. I do have their other leave-in conditioner. This one is super moisturizing. I do have another one here that I'm going to finish this up and then use this one. And then I'm really excited because I finally got my hands on the curl maker. And this is their gel. Now this gel I heard is amazing. I'm a little bit scared because, you know, I really love my thick gels, but I heard this is really good. So hopefully this gives me long lasting definition for my wash and go. Right now I'm going to re-wet my hair. And also I am working from home, so right now I'm on break. So I'm like, you know what? Let me wash my hair in the middle of my lunch break right now. So usually, you know, I wash my hair in sections, but I'm not doing that right now. So I'm gonna add it. See, it gives me like a creamy texture feel. So here it is. It smells really good. Yeah, this is definitely like a co-wash. But again, I just washed my hair, so this is okay to use. I don't know what it is doing, but it is really defining my curls. I feel like I just need more. First off, my hair looks hella thick. I know it's like a co-wash, but I just feel like, am I gonna get lather? I don't think so. It just feels like I'm putting like a conditioner in my hair. I don't know, guys. What do you think? See the definition though? I feel like I need more. That was 3 huge pumps, guys. Okay, so it does on the bottle, it says with flaxseed and rose powder, and this one is definition. So I'm like, okay, that's the reason why I see definition, because woo, this is crazy. So this is my hair now. Not too shabby. Let me go wash it out. So this is telling me that I don't need to deep condition because it's very moisturizing, but who doesn't deep condition? I am going to deep condition my hair, so I am going to rinse this out. Alright, so let me go wash it out and I'm gonna come back when I apply the deep conditioner. Sorry, I just finished washing out the co-wash, like the cleansing milk, and I don't know if it's my hair before, like, because I like washed it with this really good clarifying shampoo, but even though this says don't follow up with deep conditioner, my hair is not as moisturized. I definitely recommend you following up with a deep conditioner, even though this says you don't have to. But this is the back section here, and I'm going to use the protein treatment. So it says apply a small ample amount onto wet or dry hair, leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. While detangling with a wide tooth comb for extra conditioner, use a plastic cap and apply heat before rinsing out. Smells very like minty, earthy. I really hope this works just as good as the Viridian Nectar one, because that's my favorite, and I really do think they discontinued this line and I loved it. All right, slip is there. Slip is there. I'm only finger detangling right now, and just look at the definition, because my hair love it some protein. Alright, so I just finished adding the deep conditioner all over my head. I didn't detangle it because I just wanted to have it sit in for a little bit before I go ahead and manipulate my hair, because I don't want any breakage. So I'm just going to let it sit. I'm going to put it back into a ponytail and sit underneath a plastic bag for about another hour and a half, because I'm going to be in a meeting for another hour and a half. So I'll be on my Zoom call with my hair deep conditioning, and then after that I will wash it out, and then I will do my wash and go process. Alright, so I just finished washing out the deep conditioner, and my hair feels stronger. It doesn't feel as moisturized, but it feels severely stronger. My hair definition was amazing. I had all that moisture when I was had it set for 3 hours. But again, it's not dry, it just feels stronger, which I'm okay with, because my hair was in a protective style for almost 4 weeks, and you know, I'm trying to help out my breakage area. So I don't know if you can tell, but I have breakage right at the middle of my crown where I part at, just like right here. So I'm really trying to just get my hair back stronger, because I don't want my hair to start breaking, guys. And I also do have the Nengai Tsubaki oil as well, which I've been using. Mind you, I always add the leave-in all over. This is my moisturizer before my gel. I gotta make sure I add a good amount of this on there, and it smells just like cake batter. Her original line, everything smells like cake batter, which is like amazing. You know, I seal it in, and then you're gonna get ready for the next section. So I'm done adding leave-in conditioner all over my hair. I want to make sure my hands are nice and clean, because this is about to get really, really slippery, slidey, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to start with the back. Good thing I already have it in sections. So I am going to split this in half. I have the curl maker right here. Really excited. If this reminds me of like the Uncle Funky daughter, I'll be very excited. I don't really smell anything. Oh, this is a lot for this section. I did not mean to do that. Whoa. Whoa. So I zoomed you in. You can just see Zy curls. Okay. They are there. Alright. Let's do the next section. So this is definitely not giving me gelato type gel, which is like the Main Choice gelato gel is my absolute favorite gel for wash and goes. But this is really clumping my hair. Wow. There we go. I am not mad at the application process whatsoever. I mean, this definition is insane. Alright, so I just finished adding the gel all over my hair. This gel did a really good job at clumping my front, because because you know that is like my frizz prone area where it just is really hard to catch a curl. It did a really good job at clumping my hair. I am just like, what? Curl maker. So I bought it on sale for $10. The original price of it is like $22. If this comes out the way I think it's going to come out, I will be buying this $22 gel. Like, baby girl, this is going to be a staple wash and go. Okay, like every single curl is defined. So I am going to sit underneath my dryer. Alright, so I will be back tomorrow when my hair fully dries. Hey guys, so I'm back and it is the next day. My hair is fully dry and it is stretched. So let's, first off, let's check out the definition. Alright, so she has a body, she has a length, she has definition, she has moisture. Let's just talk about these products. Alright, so I did start washing my hair with a regular shampoo because I did just come out of a protective style for 4 weeks. So I did follow up with the cleansing milk, which is like a co-wash. I don't know how much cleansing it did, but the shampoo that I did use was super dry, and this added just a little bit more moisture to it, but it gave me lots of definition, so I was able to like do some kind of detangling with it. Would I recommend buying this? If you're into co-washing, yes, but to me, I really felt that I had to use a lot. I used probably about this amount that's left right here. I'm gonna finish using this up. Definitely going to use this as a pre-poo. I mean, it was cool. I didn't get the most moisture from it. It was alright. Would I recommend buying it? Absolutely not, but it did give me some really good definition that you saw. So next I followed up with the Nagai Tsupaki deep conditioner, protein deep conditioner. It was good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I recommend this probably like a 6. It wasn't as moisturizing, but it doesn't claim to be moisture. It says for breaking, damage and splitting hair, protein treatment, and restore smoother, more resilient state to promote healthy hair growth. So it doesn't mention anything about moisture, so I wasn't really looking for this to have moisture, but it did a really good job at strengthening my hair because my hair felt super strong after. I don't really recommend this one. I really love their cholesterol, what's it called, the Beretti Nectar one. So it comes like in like, it's like a pink packaging. I love that one so much. But this one was okay. I did use not half, but you know, it was cool. I'll use it up to just get rid of it, but I do recommend my Mayo mint protein treatment over this one by far. Then I followed up with the Curl Love Moisture Milk. Now I love this stuff so much. My hair was super moisturized because after using this, I felt like my hair still lacked lots of moisture. So I followed up with the Moisture Milk, and I absolutely, hands down, love this. Best thing ever in the whole entire world. My hair soaked it up. It, like, my hair is still moisturized. So first off, do you not see that body? Do you not see the definition? Ooh, you could just feel how much this is moisturized right now. Okay, back to this. Love this. This is my second bottle. Love, 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 love. Definitely recommend this, hands down. Pick it up. It is a little bit pricey. I think it's like $15-16, something like that, but it's very moisturizing. It's worth it. I love it so much. And then it paired well with the gel. This gel, like, first off, okay, I do quite a few wash and goes, okay, so I know my hair. I know these curls are giving me like, what is it called, kinky, curly, Uncle Funky's daughter kind of results, because my curls are very piecey. They're really defined. Like, you know, the front of my hair takes the hardest to like get defined. The front of my hair, like, even look at the bang section, like, it's curls, it's defined. I have hold. Okay, so I guess because, yes, this has marshmallow root 1, which is like for excellent slip, and then on top of it, it has aloe in it. So I noticed the Kinky Curly, the Uncle Funky Daughter Gel, and this one all have aloe in it. So aloe give you like that slippery property, and it, when you put it on, it just like, it just makes sure your hair is clumped. I absolutely love this gel so much. Okay, it reminds me those other two gels that I love so much. So the Kinky Curly has the aloe inside of it. The Uncle Funky Daughter aloe base. This one is aloe base. I love it. My hair feels nice. It has a nice little crunch, but it's like, it's not a bad crunch. It's not like crunchy and there's no flakes, and my hair is super defined and moisturized, and I love it so much. I think I finally mastered my WashNGo. Like, my gels have to have that aloe base in it in order for it to, one, define every single part of my hair, and it's like bouncy and it just goes with the wind, and I just love it. So I gotta cut my bangs, but I just love it so much. My hair is just super defined, and this is going to last me all week, and I'm super excited about that. This is gonna last. And I stretched my hair with bands. I didn't even use the blow dryer to stretch out my hair. I just did a natural stretch with some bands. So like 2 right here, 2 in the back, and then just big chunky twist 2 sections of this in the front to elongate it. But I love it so much. My hair looks so good. It just looks so full, so good, and it's just moving with the wind, and I just love it. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Kinks and Curves, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.